you two dressed really so
Action.
So, Chaka Demus Pliers, I can't believe I'm actually saying those names out of my mouth right now. How are you both doing?
We're doing fine now.
Good, great.
Yeah. Did you enjoy your performance tonight?
Yeah.
You did it.
Yeah. We want to each of the band because at the end of the day, I'll be each of the band because at the end of the day it is not our original band.
Okay.
Without the promoters, you know, the promoter good, the promoter really the best, but it's like I think they got our set lead time.
Okay.
So it wasn't 100%.
Yeah.
We do our best.
Yes, love it in Chaka Demus Pliers. You always give you 100%, I'm sure. So can you tell us a little bit about the current project you're working on?
Project, working on some songs. Right now we have two singles out. Party mix.
And take it in, take your reggae music.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a take it in.
Absorb the reggae.
Yeah.
Nice. Sounds interesting.
Wicked man, wicked tune man.
Party tune.
Nice.
We didn't have enough time to give the people a touch of that tonight.
Soon, real soon, I'm sure.
It's good song.
Yeah.
In our working, we putting album together and taking our time.
So Chaka Demus, what do you think is a factor to your success?
The love of the music.
Sure.
You know, and right now, hard work. You know the key? The key to what?
Success is hard work. Hard work is success, yes. Yeah. Put me on the spot there, I forgot about that, yes. So definitely you guys work hard a lot, you're touring, studio work. So what do you guys do to actually relax and sit back and unwind?
I mean, that man will love sleep, Every guy sleep while sleep I was saying that and Geography channel and music channel.
Nice.
And sleep and what I mean, sometimes we have to see close to us because we live in Portmore in St. Catherine. The beach is close to us. We can go have a swim more time and we go to the river and have a swim more time. Sometimes we like when we go on tour in America or Europe or England or anywhere, we have the family sometimes with us, we go to a little movie and stuff like that.
Okay, nice.
We are like quiet living type of kind of people.
Very low profile.
Yeah,
Okay.
low profile.
No hype, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
And Chaka Demus, what do you like to do as well in your own time?
Well, we love make love too, man. And then come to relax. If we don't make love to a woman, it's just very relaxing, man. Yes, talk us. Nobody don't have sweet it up and nice it up.
The hand like this, sweet to them, yeah. So what advice would you both give to emerging artists who are coming up and want to follow in your guys' footsteps?
First, that we learn that hard work, do a lot of hard work, and we believe in God, so we God first in front of us, and then we do the work and keep positive. Yeah, and we have a lot of hard jobs that we need to take. Now I realize that they give me some spares and but it's not good. It's beautiful in the piece. You think God first, put God first, do your work. We work hard, just look at the massive.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
So lastly now, what can we expect in the future from Chaka Demus Pliers?
Good music continually. You understand me? And right now we have some youth where we in Jamaica where we are looking for as upcoming talent.
Right.
Really want to try to see what we can do for them in the business. You know, because there are a lot of talent, great talent in Jamaica.
Yes.
And I have a lot of them, and I have a studio at my home.
Okay.
Some of them I just bring in them and record them, but it takes cash to promote and all everything, so I have to really make sure that I do it properly and put them out on the street. It's going to take a lot of time and a lot of money, you know, but I'm going to try my best.
Yes. Definitely, you're Chaka Demus Pliers. So it's lovely to speak to you both, and thank you for taking out the time to speak with me today.
It's a pleasure to speak with you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Back pay.